What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the voicemail notifications not working issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration, scroll down and tap on do not disturb option. And if you have enabled this do not disturb button, then you will not be able to receive any call or notification. So to fix the voicemail notifications not working issue, tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off do not disturb, you will start receiving the notifications of voicemail. Now after this, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then drag the circle downward, and when the circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the voicemail notifications will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the voicemail notifications not working issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.